A dad and his son. Son?
Huh?
What are these, son?
Dad, I was just trying to practice how to put them on,
Son,
I swear.
are these condoms?
I can explain, I was just trying to put them on, I swear, Dad.
Son, are you having sex?
No, Dad, I was just practicing how to put them on.
Really?
Yeah, Dad, I swear, Dad, I swear.
Okay, son. Just be wise, okay? Be careful.
Alright, Dad.
Use
Dad.
them wisely. But you like what I did? And wait until you're married, okay?
Sure, Dad, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Good talk. Good talk.
Alright, thanks, Dad. You're the best
Alright.
dad in the world,
No
Dad.
problem, son.
Alright.
A daddy and him son. How are the blood clot this? How are this boy?
I can't explain, Daddy.
Explain what? I can't do this here.
No,
I can't.
I know what you think, man. I practice me that practice to put them on.
About having a mouse, boy.
No, man, I practice to put them on, Daddy.
Practice your bumbo clot, boy.
Me ain't do nothing, I swear. Me ain't do
Sex,
nothing.
sex in the house, boy.
Me ain't do nothing.
Listen to me, no boy. And me alone are sex in this house, you
Me
know.
know.
So you better find another house and do it.
Yes, Daddy. Me know, Daddy. Me ain't do that, man.
The boy 7 me have no. I'm not raise another bastard in the house. You hear that?
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, you have
Me
fucking in
ain't
the
do
house.
that.
What's the matter? Get up. Go find something to
Alright,
boy.
Daddy.
Get up.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Damn croft.